this is going to be my self-care routine with some new products. I really want to focus on hydration and moisturizing the body, but also just really taking your time and making yourself feel good in your routine. So I lit both of my candles, one in my kitchen and one in my bathroom. And now we are about to get on to the shower. So into the shower we go. First things first, I got this Dove Moisture Boost Pre-Cleanse Shower Butter. It is amazing for making sure that your skin is getting the hydration it needs, getting the moisture it needs. It has hyaluronic acid serum in there and some Magnolia oil, I believe it's called, or Magia oil. It's absolutely amazing. It felt amazing on the skin, and it just felt like my skin was getting softer and softer with me doing this. So I did my arms, and now I'm on to my legs. And then I have the Dove Moisture Boost, the actual cleanser. And both of these products are serum infused. They are part of Dove's facial serums for the body line. And so with this, I did a couple pumps of this, and I put that all over my body, you know, lather, get it all together, feeling good and soapy. And then I just put that all over my body. I'm telling you, my skin felt so hydrated, felt so good. And I do have drier skin, so this is a great product if you have more drier skin, or if you're in a drier climate or even a colder climate. This is really, really good, especially for really making sure that your skin is getting all the stuff out. I mean, getting all the dirt off and everything, but also not drying out your skin, but restoring your skin and giving it just a rejuvenated feel. That's what these two products made me feel like. Now I'm just rinsing it off, but I'm telling you guys, like, run to Target and get those products because they're amazing. So because this is self-care, I wanted to get into exfoliation. So I have the Tree Hut Vitamin C sugar scrub, and I love the vitamin C one because it's so nice for brightening, helping with hyperpigmentation. I do have a little bit of hyperpigmentation, but I did just tan the other day. So, like, not tan in a tanning booth, but natural tan outside. So I wanted to make sure that my skin looked very even, and that's why I decided to exfoliate. This sugar scrub isn't abrasive, it isn't rough on my skin, and I've been using it for years. I exfoliate about the body I exfoliate about every week, like once a week. The face itself, I do once a week on different days, but definitely making sure to do it once a week. So I just get all up in there, my legs, my arms, everything. I want everything to be even and hydrated, and with the vitamin C just bright, giving radiance. I absolutely love this sugar scrub, and it lasts me a really long time, so absolutely love that. I mean, look at the glow, guys. Look at the glow. Get your feet too. Don't forget your feet. And then I grabbed this special loofah from Target. It's charcoal infused. And so I use that on my body to kind of really get the sugar scrub in there. Really make sure I'm opening all of my pores so that when I get to my moisturizing products, as far as lotions and oils, they really seep into my pores and I get that soft, hydrated feel. So I'm just rinsing all that exfoliation off, making sure I'm getting everything off. I just absolutely love the fact that I took my time I usually take like fast showers, but yeah. So this is the Eucerin Advanced Repair Lotion. If you guys see, it's on that middle bar, which means it's like a mid strength of giving intense repair. So it's not super intense, but it's also not super light. It was very hydrating to me and my skin type. You can definitely check Target and see if you need a more light one or if you need a more intense set of moisture. That is all up to you. But I mean, look at my leg, guys. It just gives softness. It's giving moisture. And then for my fragrance choice, I just went with the fragrance lotion from Bath and Body Works. It's the Champagne Toast. Now you don't have to get like a Bath and Body Works lotion. I just haven't gotten a perfume that I would wear to sleep yet. So this just keeps the good vibes flowing. I like to smell sweet and kind of like flirty. So I'll either choose a vanilla scent or I'll choose some type of like fruity scent, but it's like subtle that you can like sleep with it. So I have my nice fluffy fleece robe on and I'm starting my skin routine. You guys have seen my skin routine for a minute now. It has not changed, but it will soon. So this is probably the last time you guys will see me using the Cetaphil product. I love it, I do, but just because I want more from my skin, I am going to use some Dermalogica products on my skin that I absolutely love, because I like to take care of my skin, and Cetaphil for me, my skin's getting too used to it, I would say. But as you guys can see, I am doing some rhythmic movements on my face. Those are forms of European massages for the face, and then also lymphatic drainage massages. I do them in every step of my routine. Here is my Fenty Fat Water. This is one thing that will not leave my skin routine whatsoever. I will always find a way to use this product because I just absolutely love it. Like, it just gives my skin the glow, the radiance that it needs. And as you can see, like from an esthetician standpoint, you want to make sure you are going from like the middle of your face to the end of your face whenever you're doing lymphatic drainage. I'm now having my little fan just to make sure everything is set in my skin and my skin is plump before I put on my moisturizer. And this is one of the products that you will not see anymore because I do have other moisturizers that I absolutely love to use and are just so much better than Clean and Clear. But I do love this moisturizer and I will be sad to see it go, but it's okay. We're moving on to bigger and better things, but that has gotten me pretty far. And then I love to just relax with a cup of tea. So here's me making my hot tea. I always drank hot tea at home before I moved, and I just remember how I feel so relaxed drinking some tea. So today I decided to just drink some tea and have my little pink Keurig, and it's just making sure my tea is piping hot. I use the Lipton black tea, and then I just like to customize it to my liking. I add a little bit of honey in there. I'm also warming up my dinner on the other side. I had some pasta. It was really, really good. And there's me adding my honey. I just absolutely loved taking my time in this routine. And this, guys, is the end of my video. Thank you for watching. Bye.